Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to activate your Ubisoft Key. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we first need to do is come over to ubisoft.com. This is the official website, and we need to go ahead and download the Ubisoft Connect. So there should be a download Ubisoft Connect button on the top right hand corner of the page. This is going to take you to the download page to go ahead and download it, and it should be already downloading. Here it is here. So it's about 230 megabytes in size, so not too big. So just give that a few seconds, and then we need to run that installer. So I'm just going to pause this video and get back to you once that's finished. Alright, so I've finished downloading the Ubisoft Connect installer. Now I'm going to go ahead and run that. If it doesn't appear there, just go to your download section in your computer and click on the installer. Alright, so I'm going to install it in English. I'm going to read the terms and hit accept. Gonna leave it there, install on that spot. You can change it, the location. So now it's gonna install it onto my PC, and here it is here. It's installed. Now I'm gonna run Ubisoft Connect. Alright, so running it for the first time, I'm gonna allow. Alright, then I'll say log into Ubisoft. So if you got a login, go ahead and put in your login credentials, or if you don't, or create an account. I'm just going to create an account. I don't think I've got an account with Ubisoft, so I'm just going to click continue here. Alright, I'm going to choose a username. Now my email. And now password. Alright, so once you've logged in or created an account, you'll be taken to this page. From here, click onto your username, profile name, top left hand corner of the page. Then from here, it will say key activation. Go ahead and click on key activation, and then you need to put in your activation code. So please enter your CD key activation code right in this little box, and activation codes may look similar to these two right below. Once you've done that, go ahead and click activate. Once activated, your game will appear in the game section of Ubisoft Connect. Select the game to download and install it. After installation, you can launch and enjoy your game.